Hi everyone, so I have this MacBook Air from first generation, which is still very good looking, very thin, very nice to use, but it have very low specs, can't really run any apps, or you can't even watch YouTube videos and so on. So I decided to give it a second chance, a second life, and I tried to install Linux and Ubuntu and a lighter version of Ubuntu which name is Lubuntu and so on, but it didn't really work. It was anyway slow, so you can't really work with that. I remembered that there is Chrome OS and decided to give it a try to see how it runs. So now let's get to work. To download Chrome OS, we need to open the site Neverware, and there you can download for free Chrome OS officially. So if you look at the bottom of their site, there is a free version for home use. So click there, and now we can download it. While it's downloading, let's look in their own instruction. We have to install a Chromebook recovery utility, which is an app for your Google Chrome. It's very easy to do. You just open this link. I have already installed it, so I can launch it now. When the file is downloaded, let's open it. We can now unzip it, so double click on this. So after that, you will see that there is a file with .bin extension that have 6 gigabytes. Now let's open our Chromebook utility, go to settings and use local image. Click there, open your file with the extension .bin, here it is, open it, select your USB stick, mine have 30 gigabytes, and click continue. And now create it. Insert your password. So now it's done installing on your USB stick. You can click done and you're ready to next step. Now insert the stick in MacBook. In MacBook Air it is done like that. Done. So now when turning it on, press and hold the button Option, which is button Alt. So press Power Up button and hold the Option button. Turn it on, keep pressing, and that's it. Now we just have to select EFI boot, which is on the right side. Click on the right arrow and click enter. Give it some time, it is old. So we see cloud ready. So it just ran in demo mode. We can use it now as it is. It is running on our USB stick, but we want to install it, so click on the right corner, right there, and here we see Install OS. Click here. Now we see the installer, so click Install Cloud Ready. Erase the hard drive and install Cloud Ready, so it will erase everything that you have on your hard drive, so make a backup before that. Let's click. And now we have just to wait some time. If your MacBook turned it off, don't worry, just turn it back on. Don't hold anything, just let him turn on. Wait a little bit, and he will continue to install when it turned on. So now when it turned on, this is our installed system. We just have to finish installation. So click Let's Go. Select your Wi-Fi. Insert password. Okay, now insert your email. Password that you inserted for your Gmail will be also your password to unlock the device, so keep in mind that. And basically that's it. We can take a tour. It installed few apps that I recently already installed with using this account. So at first start you will have only Google Chrome there. If you want, I will show another video on how to install some new apps. Basically that's it. That's all installation. I hope you did that to work. Now we just can run our Google Chrome, and that's it.